Officer here, and if you guys want to know, oh yeah, people have been sitting on my workbench, and I wonder if they can not stop sitting on my workbench, you ask? Here's the best way to hide your workbench. Oh yeah, this house has no workbench. Oh yeah, that's lame. Guess what? Spawn some dirt. But you didn't notice that. Oh yeah, you didn't notice that. You did not notice that. Yeah, you did not notice that. I found that out by doing. I was mining under my workbench, right in the corner, and it was good. So I started to make a video, and so that's the best way you can hide your workbench, or as many of you call it, crafting table. Yeah. And then here is the best way to hide your furnace. So hide over there. Oh yeah, you think all this is furnace? Yeah, you guys guessed wrong. See, Spencer, that's all the way around. But see all this is Spencer, right? Huh? Yeah, guess what? It's a furnace! Yeah, you didn't notice that. Yeah, but you just not notice that, man. You did not notice that. But you just not notice that. I'm the king of the world! Yeah, I'm the ruler. Yeah. Yeah. So, that's it. That's all I want to do. Subscribe and like this video. And tell me what to do next in the description. Or the comments below. Same thing. Whatever. My bad. Yeah. Not the same thing. Whatever. Misspelling. I don't care. So, this is calls up for a mystery workbench. Oh yeah, right there. Bye.